Hey everyone, I am back with more Walmart, and in fact, I am partnering with Walmart to show you all of the luxury beauty items that you guys can be giving as gifts this year. Walmart has sponsored today's video, and I am thrilled to be able to bring all of this to you. So you guys know that at gift giving time, something that is luxurious is a fantastic gift, right? Things that we normally would not buy for ourselves make great gifts. Also, I'm just here to tell you, and you don't have to say you heard it from me, but we can gift ourselves as well. Anyway, let's get into it. Walmart carries luxury brands in their beauty department, luxe brands as we like to call them, and they have so many great deals. I'm going to show you one item today, but I just want you guys to know that you can go to Walmart for your luxury beauty brands. You don't have to go anywhere else, and you can go to Walmart for less. So there are so many trending holiday beauty gifts. I am bringing you just one of them. This is so exciting, you guys. I've not opened it really, like I've looked at it, but I didn't open it. I saved it just for you. So this is BeautySpace's Best of Beauty, and it's a 14-piece set, but it's sort of in the form of like an advent calendar. But you know, we can't wait. So we're gonna open all of the windows today quickly, and you are gonna get 14 different windows. Here they are, and we are going to open them one by one. Is that not adorable? So let me just say, if you gave this as a gift, whomever received it would be thrilled, especially if they are someone who is into luxury. Also, if they are someone in need of pampering, a mother-in-law, a friend, sister, even your daughters would enjoy this gift. So let's get into it. Without further ado, let's start with number one. So what is behind door number one? All right, I finally got it open. I was trying to be like really delicate, but you just can't be. You just got to get right into it. You can tell I kind of tore it open. And I can tell already that it is a lash serum. Now, I have two teenage daughters, Natalia, who is 14, and Sophia, who is 18. And they are obsessed, when I tell you obsessed, with lash serums, specifically Babe Lash Serum. So behind door number one is the Essential Lash Serum. It says 88% of people saw longer looking lashes in 6 weeks. So both of my girls have used lash serums. They love them, and I actually noticed the difference on them. So stuff like this luxury brand Babe is available at Walmart and is available in this kit. Again, you're getting 14 luxury pieces. Let's keep going. All right, behind door number two is the Mario Badescu Skincare, the facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. This stuff was so popular recently, and you can only get it in high-end stores. Walmart now carries it. Let's try it. Ooh, that feels so refreshing, and it smells so good. So it smells mostly like roses, and it's a hydrating boost midday. You know what this would be fantastic for? Someone who travels. It is under 3 ounces, so you can bring it on, according to TAA, onto the airplane. This would be fantastic to carry in your carry-on bag, or if you know someone who travels, give them this for the carry-on bag. Now, I just want to let you know that this kit with all 14 different pieces by BeautySpace can be purchased as individual gifts. So you can go ahead and open it up yourself and give these little gifts away as stocking stuffers, or little additional gifts to whatever it is that you're giving them, or give the entire thing away as one gift. I know that many people this time of year aren't in the best of moods. This would be a great gift to give them ahead of the holidays, something for them to look forward to each day to open. And again, there are 14 little windows, so it's kind of like 12 days of Christmas, but really you're getting 14, you're getting a couple extra. Okay, so Drybar, another luxury brand, BeautySpace has included in their little kit here. And Drybar has hair products that are higher end. This is the Seltzer Spritz. It's flexible hold hairspray. Hold on, I'm gonna brush out a piece of my hair and see if we can get it to hold. Hold on one second. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm gonna lose the sweater because now we're getting into things, right? But I use this brush for when I wanna kind of comb out or even encourage my hair to curl back, and then immediately after I spray it. So let's do the curl, and then you'll see that it curls very well like that, but I immediately have to spray it to get it to hold. Let's go ahead and try our spray. I had to open it. It does have a lock on it, which is nice. It has a lock on it. Keep that in mind. All of these sizes, you guys, are TAA approved. They're under 3 ounces. So this is another item that would be great. Okay, first of all, look at that curl. It's not going anywhere. And it's not stiff, you guys. It's actually really nice. This little hairspray, this Seltzer Spritz by Dry Bar, is fantastic. It's another high-end item. So this is also a great way, you know I have to do the other side, to introduce yourself or whomever you gift this to the luxury brands for less that Walmart carries. There, beautiful hold on each side. What do you guys think? Little flat, but that's my own doing. Let's get on to the next item. So excited for the first three so far. My face is moisturized, my daughters are gonna have long lashes, and my hair isn't going anywhere. What is behind window number 4? Remember, it's the Beauty Space Kit, Best of Beauty, and you get 14 little windows. Number 4. This is Eve Lom's Rescue Mask, and you shake it very well, it says, and then you're gonna apply it to your face and wait a bit and rinse off. Let's just get a little bit out so we can see what the consistency is. It's very milky, you guys, you see that? And you would massage it into your skin and then at some point rinse off. So this is something to try even if you're traveling. You know, sometimes your skin definitely needs a rescue once you've gotten to your destination, and this would be fantastic to try in a hotel or on vacation, or again, to give away as sort of a self-care stocking stuffer. Love that. All right, number 5, where are you? Miami Beach Bum is the brand, and this is the Skin Smoothie Daily Superfood Facial Moisturizer. Guys, see that? I love the packaging on all of these Luxe brands. It's fantastic. Okay, so you apply a dime-sized amount AM and PM to minimize pores and blemishes. I'll take that. My forehead is kind of oily, and I definitely have some pores. So there it is. This is right, you guys can see them right there. See those pores? We're gonna apply that. Now, of course, I have 5 pounds of makeup on, but it feels really good going on. And I'll have to get back to you on how well it works. But again, a nice little trial size, a nice little sampler of a Luxe brand. Love, love, love that. All right, you guys, this is great. So this is a hair oil. It is made by Archive. It's called the Good Habit Hybrid Oil. So what you do with this, you can blow dry your hair, and then to give it definition, you can put a little of this on your hands. And of course, I'm gonna demonstrate. Let's do it now. This is another great brand that has a lock on it. Now you don't want to use a ton. This is all, you see that little drop right there? Again, this is the Archive, the Good Habit Hybrid Oil. And I'm just gonna rub it through my hands. You can feel that it's nice and slippery, and I like to drag it just at the ends and the bottom of my hair, because that is where we tend to have drier hair, and it will give you brilliant shine, you guys. I'm just gonna go through all of my hair this way. I didn't know there was going to be hair products in here. I'm super excited, you guys. I love trying new hair products, especially from high-end brands, at a great deal. How's that, you guys? You can see that anything frizzy, even sometimes my part gets some flyaways, just wipe that hair oil over the top and it will tame all of the frizzies and give you a brilliant shine. So loving the hair oil. There's an example of some frizzies back there. We'll tame it right down. So number 6 was this fantastic Archive hair oil. We're gonna put that off to the side, and that is 1.7 ounces. We're still good for carrying it on an airplane. I don't know why that's suddenly important to me, but I just thought it was worth mentioning, especially if you're giving these away as gifts. If you know someone who travels a lot for work, this would be such a great gift for that person. You know, traveling for work is not fun. They're in their hotel room alone at night. They have something to look forward to, or even on the airplane, just like that Mario Badescu spray. All right, let's get this guy out. This is the Spotlight Highlighter Pencil. This is exciting, you guys. I have a feeling I know exactly how to use this. Well, look at that. Okay, so I believe with this, you can highlight places like right here underneath your eyebrows. You see that, you guys? I used to have a pencil similar to this that I did that with. And that just kind of brightens up your eyes. Right at the arch, you can draw the whole thing if you'd like, you know, kind of rub it in with a cotton swab or your finger. You can also dot the corners of your eyes for a little highlight. You see that, you guys? And that also can brighten things up. There's so many things you can do with this. You could probably even contour your nose with it. Let's see. I usually draw a nice line of highlight down the center, kind of rub it in, and then at the tip there. This is great, and what I love about it is it's in a pencil form. So if you are using it in small places like under your brows or in the corners of your eyes, you can have an exact point of contact. You're not like willy-nilly with a brush. So that is fun. And again, that is the Spotlight Highlighter Pencil. Loving all of this, you guys. If someone gave this to me as a gift, you guys know I would be absolutely thrilled. All right, on to number 8. What else do we have? I think we left off at number 8. It doesn't matter. I went ahead and opened the whole box because there is just so much and I want to get to it all and I don't want to take up too much time. Remember, this is the Beauty Space 14-piece beauty kit. It's a luxury beauty kit available at Walmart for much less than other places. So let's check out this. Next one is called Dragon's Blood. You guys, what is this? This is cleansing water and it hydrates and tones. Dragon water. It says Dragon's Blood cleansing water, gentle hydrating cleansing water to remove makeup and impurities for the eyes and face. Well, your girl wears a lot of makeup, so this would be fantastic. I love the way it's made. Now, do you see that? I've used items like this before. You just take one of those little cotton pads and press down and your pad is full and then you can wipe off your makeup. That simple, you guys. And it does have a great smell. It's, again, in that blood orange. So this is fantastic. It's also going to hydrate and tone as it removes your makeup, you guys. Love this. All right, what's next? Next, we have the Lancer Caviar Lime and Acid Peel. You guys, this is going to be great. Now, this would be a luxury item. I'm probably going to want to use this tonight. This is 10% glycolic acid, 10% phytic acid, and it also contains retinol. So what all of those ingredients do is they slough off dead skin cells and they give you a faster rate of turnover and your skin is glowing and bright after using those type of ingredients. So it's sort of like a chemical exfoliator. It's exfoliating without the little granules. You don't actually feel it, but it's working and exfoliating and bringing out your glow. So this would be fantastic to use as well. And you apply a generous amount to a clean, dry skin. Avoid your eye, lip, and broken skin areas. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it right off. So that is the Lancer Caviar Lime Peel. Love this and I cannot wait to use it. If you have someone in your life who loves beauty, this gift is going to be amazing. They will thank you. Again, though, don't forget all of these items, all 14 of them, could be great stocking stuffers as well. This is Diva Curl Mist of Wonders Leave-In Curl Spray. So if you or someone you're gifting has a natural curl to their hair, they can go ahead and spray this in it, probably give it a little scrunch, maybe let it air dry, and their curls will come out and be more defined. I also have curly hair, believe it or not, more so underneath than on the top. And sometimes in the summer, especially when it's humid, I don't even fight it. I just let it air dry. And something like this would be great to eliminate frizz and round out all those beautiful curls. So that's Diva Curl Mist of Wonders Leave-In. All right, next up is something so cute, you guys. It's a skinny little scrunchie. It's called Slip. This is made by the Silk Slip Pillowcase Company. They also make slip scrunchies designed to reduce hair creases and breakage. These are made of 100% silk. So have you ever done your hair and you don't plan on washing it for the next day or so, but you want it out of your face? Say, for example, this is me when I'm having people over for dinner and I'm cooking. I've done my hair. I'm going back down to do the finishing touches. For example, on Thanksgiving, it's always the mashed potatoes. I have to make those last, right? The last thing I'm going to do is come down with all of this hair, start making food, and my hair could possibly fall into the food. If I want my hair to look good later, I don't want to hook it up with a rubber band. Something like this Slip Silky Scrunchie would be great for not leaving a dent. So we're going to test it out. I'll put it on for the rest of the video. I'll even double it. Why not? Now, this is not the best ponytail, but you guys will forgive me, right? And then we will see if there's a dent in my hair, and I know there won't be. All right, next up is Skin Gym Ready, Set, Blot. Oh, you guys, another airplane doozy. Okay, I have oily T-zone. As I mentioned, my pores are right up here, and that provides me with an oily T-zone. In some ways, I like it because I do not have dry skin, where most people over 50 do have dry skin. Mine is nice and oily. But as the day goes on, I do not want to apply more powder because that can get cakey and just build up to be too much. Blotting papers are the answer for that. And these blotting papers are by Skin Gym. And you gently press over into the T-zone in oily areas and repeat as necessary. Keep these in your purse or your carry-on bag, and you can blot whenever you need to. So I think you guys are going to love these. Again, all of this stuff, all 14 items, and we have 2 left, are available in that Beauty Space Best of Beauty 14-piece beauty kit. Luxury brand at Walmart for such a deal, you guys. All right, let's see. This is our second last one, and this is by Patchology. These are clean AF on-the-go refreshing cleansing wipes. So again, if you're on the go and you want to remove your makeup, you don't have access to a washcloth or anything like that, and you just want it off, these are going to be your best friend. So unfold and gently wipe over your face and neck to remove dirt, oil, and makeup. No need to rinse. These are truly for someone who is on the go. If you know someone who camps, or again, someone who travels a ton, grab these for them, stuff them in their stocking, or get the whole kit for them. Why not? And last but not least, I'm so excited for this. You guys know me. See what's burning in the back? I've always got a candle going. I have one going in my bedroom when I film and get ready, and I always have one in my open kitchen area downstairs. So Beauty Space, and this is their own brand, provided us in their kit with a winter pine scented candle. How cute is that, you guys? Let me just smell it and see. If it's pine like a Christmas tree, I'm gonna be so excited. It is. Oh, you guys, this is fantastic. Okay, this smells just like a fresh tree without being chemically, if you know what I mean. It's great. So this, of course, would make a great gift. You can give this to someone who really needs self-care, who wants a relaxing night, who deserves a relaxing night. Give them this entire kit. They will be hooked up entirely and they will thank you. They can light their candle and do a quick beauty routine and just feel refreshed and relaxed, either before the holidays when some people may be feeling a bit down, or give them as a gift for the holiday because they're certainly going to need to relax after all of the hustle and bustle dies down. So loving everything, you guys. I have destroyed the box, but I will show it anyway. It is the Beauty Space 14-piece beauty kit, and you're getting a sampling of all of this luxe beauty, all from Walmart, all at a great price. All right, before I let you go, I'm going to pull out my scrunchie here to show you that there are no dents in my hair, you guys, and I have very heavy, very thick hair. So this is fantastic, all part of this great gift for yourself or for a friend. All right, you guys, thank you once again to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. I want you to know that Walmart is your place to go for luxe beauty, and you can always get it over there for less. If you did like today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel and helps other people to find me. And if you've not already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.